Most drivers panic the moment they see a deactivation notice. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, deactivation in the Walmart Spark system is not permanent, especially if you act fast and follow the right steps for Walmart delivery platform rules. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is appealing without understanding why you were deactivated, because that can slow down or even reduce your chances of getting reinstated. In this video, you will learn exactly how Walmart Spark driver deactivation works in 2026, the real reasons it happens, and step-by-step how to try and get your account reactivated. Let's start immediately. First, you need to understand why deactivation happens. The most common reasons include low acceptance ratings, missed deliveries, customer complaints, identity verification issues, or suspected policy violations. But here's the problem. Many drivers assume it's always a permanent ban. That is not true in many cases. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some deactivations are automatic system flags, not final human decisions. That means you can often appeal and get reviewed manually. So, what should you do first? Open your Spark driver app or email linked to your account. Look for the deactivation notice. It usually includes a reason or category. This is your starting point. Next, go to the official appeal process. You will need to submit a written explanation. Keep it simple, honest, and professional. Do not blame the system or customer. Instead, explain what happened clearly and what you will improve. For example, Jake once had a deactivation due to repeated late deliveries. In his appeal, he explained traffic issues, adjusted his scheduling strategy, and showed improvement steps. His account was later reinstated after review. Here's a key tip. Timing matters. The sooner you submit your appeal, the better your chances. Waiting too long can reduce priority in the review queue. Also, check your email spam folder. Sometimes reinstatement or clarification requests from Walmart Spark support go there unnoticed. If your appeal is denied, you still have options. You can submit a second appeal if new evidence or clarification is available. In some cases, drivers reapply after a waiting period. Another important point is prevention. Once reinstated, focus on acceptance rate, on-time delivery, and communication with customers. These are the main metrics the system tracks. So to wrap it up, deactivation is not always the end. Understand the reason. Submit a clear appeal. Act fast and improve your performance. The key takeaway is simple. Most successful reinstatements come from clear communication and quick action, not panic. If this helped you, like the video, comment your experience with Spark Driver, and subscribe for more real-world delivery app guides. You will be better prepared next time something unexpected happens.